Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to our YouTube channel. Please subscribe our channel and press the bell icon for the further notification. Please stay connected with us and join us. Now, today, it is life insurance worth buying. Is life insurance worth buying? Yes, life insurance is a worth purchasing. Anybody with the financial fundamentals will find the benefits of the buying life insurance attractive in case of the demands of the only income and earner or a life insurance policy become our financial safety net that helps your loved one pay for expenses such as a loan, children's education, and the health and many other everyday bills. Life insurance is an affordable way to financially protect the people you love most. How to claim the life insurance after death? It is a simple process. You can report your claim online to our branch, certainly office, via SMS or mail, or through our call center, as per requirements. Physical documents will be required to be sent to the nearest branch to start the process. The documents needs are claimant statement form. Here you can download from this website. For lender borrower group, only for credit life policies, claimant statement, claim information form. You also download. All documents are available here for download. For affinity or employer group, claimant statement and claim information, original policy documents, copy of the death certificate issued by the local municipal authority, copy of the claimant's photo identification proof and the current address proof, list of the photo ID current address proof, download, and cancel check, copy of the bank passbook, copy of the medical legal cause of the death certificate, medical records, admission notes, discharge, death summary, indoor case, proper paper test reports, etc. Etc. Prior medical records insured, life assured, medical attention, hospital certificates issued by doctor, certificate from the employer for salaried individuals. In addition, below documents required for essential sudden death: post-mortem report and chemical physical report, FIR. Um, FIR, consider inquest report, and the final investigation report. Copy of the driving license if a life insured was driving the vehicle at the time of the accident. Applicable if accident disability benefits riders debit. Next, our claim department team will access on the claim and found in case and any further documents need to be submitted once your claim is intimated and the life insurance company receive all the relevant approvals, and then settle all the valid claims through check or the electronic clearance system. Number third, mm, how many beneficiaries can be on a life insurance policy? There is no limit on the number of the beneficiaries you can add your policy. However, if the insured has will and specific who the amount of the insured benefits should go to other after he passes away, then the benefits will go to the person mentioned in will impactive in irrespective of the mentioned nominees. Number four. Number four, and this is I think too long. We will cover. How long does it take to get life insurance amount after the death? We after claim aim for the sure, if it guarantees the death claim settlements for 1 day. It offer it quick and It quick and accessible fees is claims services on your claim family needs in the most. It also pays interest on the claims amount on every day for delay beyond on working. Here to avail claim for sure we will learn next video.